In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer tickets in Ticketmaster. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website ticketmaster.com, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to this section, My Tickets. Under that, you're going to find the option of upcoming events. Click on that. Here you will see a list of all events for which currently you have tickets. Open the event containing the ticket you want to transfer. Then tap or click on the specific ticket. At the top of the screen, you'll find the transfer button. Select it, and if you have multiple tickets for the same event, choose the specific ticket or tickets you want to send. Next, Ticketmaster may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. A one-time password will be sent to your registered email address or phone number. Enter the verification code and confirm your account. After successful verification, you will be taken to the transfer page where you can review the selected ticket. Now enter the recipient's details, including their first name, last name, and email address. You may also add a personal message if you would like. Once everything looks correct, click the confirm button to complete the transfer. After the transfer is processed, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the ticket has been successfully sent. You can then choose to transfer another ticket or return to My Ticket section. The recipient will receive an email or text message containing a link to accept the ticket. All they need to do is click Accept Ticket, log into their Ticketmaster account, and the ticket will be automatically added to their account. And that's it. Now you know how to easily transfer tickets on Ticketmaster. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.